Hello and welcome. I'm Scott Fisher from SEAL, and I'd like to introduce you to an exciting new opportunity for New Jersey homeowners. The PSE&G Building Decarbonization Program is now live, and it offers some of the most generous incentives we've ever seen to help homeowners upgrade to cleaner, more efficient heating and cooling systems. Here's what this program means for you. It means up to $50,000 in zero-interest financing spread out over 10 years through the Building Decarbonization Program. That's on-bill repayment built right into your utility bill. Another $25,000 in zero-interest financing available through existing PSE&G energy efficiency programs. So combined, that's up to $75,000 in zero-interest financing over 10 years directly on your utility bill, available for qualifying projects. Plus, thousands of dollars in cashback incentives depending upon the type of system that you choose, with rebates as high as $12,000 for cold climate heat pumps. And this isn't just for one type of home. Whether you're replacing an aging furnace, whether you're interested in a dual fuel type setup, if you're exploring ground source options, or you're simply looking to cut energy costs with a heat pump water heater, there's probably incentives in here for you. It's important to know that weatherization, things like insulation and air sealing, come first. This ensures that your new system performs at its best, and it helps you qualify for the maximum incentives. And remember, these programs are not income limited. Every PSE&G homeowner can qualify, with additional enhanced rebates available for households that meet certain income guidelines. At SEAL, our process starts with a $99 home energy audit. That audit fee is credited back to you if you decide to move forward with any of the work we've recommended. From there, our team manages the rebate paperwork, financing, and project coordination so that you can focus on enjoying a more comfortable and efficient home. This is one of the strongest packages of support we've ever seen available for homeowners, combining cashback, zero-interest financing, and expert guidance on installing the appropriate system for your home. If you've been thinking about replacing your heating system or just making your home more energy efficient, now is the time to explore your options. If you know someone in the PSE&G service territory that you think might benefit from this program, please pass this video on to them. If not, we wish you all the best, and we look forward to seeing you on your upcoming SEAL Home Energy Audit. Thank you.